Well, the big news, of course, of superstar Rajinikanth, who has returned to Chennai just a short while ago, and those are the visuals that you're seeing on your screen right now of superstar Rajinikanth just about leaving the Chennai airport. He had waited at the airport building within the airport building for quite some time, and there were crowds really surrounding the airport ever since early this evening, eagerly waiting for Rajinikanth's arrival at the airport. And that's the visuals that you're seeing there of superstar Rajinikanth greeting his fans just as he's leaving the Chennai airport. Crowds really had gathered ever since say 6 or 7 this evening, waiting for a very long time for the superstar himself. Now, just to inform our viewers of the fact that he had been in treatment for 6 long weeks in Singapore, and has just returned after a long, good amount of rest really. The actor had been discharged last month after being treated for kidney-related ailments in Singapore, and Rajinikanth had recently written to his fans that he would soon appear in his next film, Rana, to really entertain them, and made many promises really to his fans because of the fact that he was ill at the moment and needed to recover and come back with full force really to entertain them in his next film, Rana. He had also thanked his fans for all their support and their prayers, and that it was because of their strong support and prayers that he was able to recover from his illness, and he was back with, and as you can see right now, Rajinikanth is of course back with full health, and looks like the fans of course certainly are extremely happy. Very ecstatic atmosphere at the Chennai airport. The fact that the fans have finally received what they have been waiting for a very long time. Our reporter Bertilla had actually spoken to a few fans there at the Chennai airport, and they had said that the only thing that they wish for is that he is well, up and about, and can and would love to see him in his next film, which of course is Rana. And as superstar Rajinikanth has certainly promised them that he would appear in his next film, Rana, to entertain them. Now, those are the visuals that you're seeing right now on your screen. Certainly quite a bit of confusion there, media personnel rushing to get the latest visuals of Rajinikanth really exiting the Chennai airport and entering the vehicle which will take him home along with his family. His 2 daughters and his wife as well had accompanied him. Well, that's the latest good news now of superstar Rajinikanth, who has returned to Chennai, and the visuals which we just showed you were of superstar Rajinikanth leaving the Chennai airport, being greeted by all those hundreds of fans who have been eagerly waiting for his arrival at the Chennai airport. They have been waiting ever since early this evening, probably 6 or 7 even. Crowds had gathered all the way at the Chennai airport. It was barely, it was literally like a barrier that many people could not cross. As you can see, the traffic there at the Chennai airport, and people really are ecstatic of his return. Certainly a blessing to many of these fans that have been waiting for his return, and all they ask for is the fact that they can finally see him in his next film, which he certainly has promised them he would appear in, which is Rana, to entertain them. Now, the actor has been in 6 weeks of long treatment at Singapore. He had left many weeks ago and had been discharged after being treated for kidney-related ailments. And the superstar, as you can see in your visuals, as he's greeting his fans there along with his daughters, being greeted there by his fans and waving his hand to his fans there. That's Aishwarya, and of course his other daughter as well, Soundarya Rajinikanth, there coming along with him at the Chennai airport. So the latest visuals that you're seeing right now is, of course, of superstar Rajinikanth. There's certainly a happy note for all Chennai fans. The ecstatic fans there waiting for his arrival have finally been granted their one wish of him being in complete hale and hearty situation, really, of his arrival. A wave of good hope really for all the Rajinikanth fans from the city of Chennai and Tamil Nadu, of course, and India per se, really, of the fact that superstar Rajinikanth has arrived back in Chennai from Singapore after that long treatment that he had gone to Singapore with his family. Of course, his daughters had also accompanied him on his arrival here at the Chennai airport. Fans have been waiting for a very long time for his arrival. They had certainly been updating their status messages on Facebook and all the community websites of his well-being all the while, all these weeks so far, and this must be a moment really that they'll certainly remember of the superstar. The visuals that you're seeing on your screen right now are of the fact that superstar Rajinikanth has greeted his fans, waved to them, sort of a sign of saying that he's absolutely all right, and he thanks them for his support. And also now the visuals that you're seeing on your screen are